Today, I'll walk you through how to calculate days in a month in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to determine the number of days in any given month so you can enhance your data analysis skills. Let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is your workspace where all the magic happens, and it's the first step in our journey today. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. Once you have your dashboard open, we will be using Power Query, which is a powerful tool for data transformation. To access it, look for the Home tab at the top of your screen and then click on Transform Data. This will open the Power Query editor, where we can manipulate our data with ease. Visual Q. Now that you're in the Power Query editor, the next step is to select the query that contains your date column. This is crucial because we need to work with the specific dates to calculate the number of days in each month. If you have multiple queries, just take a moment to find the one you need. Visual Q. With your query selected, navigate to the Add Column tab located in the top ribbon. This is where we will add our new calculated column. It's like adding a new ingredient to a recipe. It enhances the overall dish, or in this case, your data set. Now click on the Date option, then select Month and finally choose Days in Month. This action will generate a new column that automatically calculates the number of days for each month based on the dates in your selected column. It's a straightforward process, but the impact on your data analysis can be significant. Visual Q. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated the days in a month in Power BI. This skill can be incredibly useful for various reporting tasks, allowing you to present your data more effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.